This week I'm staying at the RAC Cable Beach Holiday Park. I've got the new age all set up and now it's time for me to take a look around. Rob is the park manager. And what do you love about working up in Broome?
Oh, the weather.
The weather?
Yeah, it's snowing down south, I believe.
Yeah. Bob and Dawn have been coming up to the park for the past 20 years.
We're up from Albany and we come up here every year for 3-4 months because of the beautiful weather.
The park has been enjoying some recent upgrades.
And renovated the pool to be a tropical pool.
All the barbecue areas around the place.
There's beautiful gazebos in there now the guests can lay about.
The park has large powered sites, as well as comfortable studio and family-sized cabins. And it's all within splashing distance of one of WA's most iconic beaches, Cable Beach.
It's the best park in Broome, mainly because it's close to Cable Beach by 500 metres.
And to see the sunset with all the camels, the palm trees, it's absolutely beautiful. Nowhere in the world could you see that, I don't think. It's just the caravan life. We just love the caravan life. We've been doing it for years and we just love it.